Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. This is Cruising on Comps, and folks, got a massive email just now from Carnival Players Club regarding the new Carnival Rewards program that answers a huge question that I brought up in my video I released yesterday about how this was going to impact Carnival Casino players. If you're here and you're not a Carnival Casino player, stick around. You might learn something. It might be helpful for you. I am going to do kind of a more in-depth thought process, analysis, whatever you want to call it, on the overall changes of the program and what I really think Carnival should have done in a future video. But this video is specifically for us out there that take advantage of the casino offers we get from Carnival from playing and gambling in the casino, and how this new program is going to impact that. So receive this email. I'm just going to read it to you word for word. So excuse me, let me grab my eyeballs and let's get started. So, dear Christopher, we're pleased to announce Carnival Rewards, our reimagined loyalty program for Carnival guests, which will replace VIFP Club and launch in June of 2026. For many years, our Carnival Players Club guests have asked for a casino loyalty program that will give them more transparency on how to earn offers and status benefits. Instead of creating a dedicated casino loyalty program, we have created an integrated program that will reward both your casino activity and your overall spend and engagement with Carnival. For starters, you'll earn Carnival Rewards points, a flexible new way to earn and redeem almost everything Carnival, including purchases like cruise fare, onboard purchases, casino play, and more. All of the points you earn will be eligible for redemption on future Carnival purchases. Nearly everything from a blue Hawaiian cocktail to a balcony suite. In addition to earning Carnival Rewards points on your casino play and purchases, you'll earn status qualifying stars, which will replace days sailed as the criteria for achieving status. Guests will be able to pave their way to higher status and exclusive benefits faster and easier. But our casino players will have a faster track to the benefits they want based on play. Now, here's where it gets interesting. All of that stuff I just read, we already knew. Carnival Rewards and Carnival Players Club are designed to work in tandem. That's why they're a winning pair. We know many of you have started to learn about Carnival Rewards since its announcement and have already asked many questions. A common question has been how the new program will affect your current Carnival Players Club offers, including free and discounted staterooms, fun play, onboard credits, and drinks. The answer, in short, is that it won't. While offers do periodically change for various reasons, the new Carnival Rewards program is not designed to change the great offers our guests currently receive, but rather to complement your Carnival Players Club offers by allowing you to use your new Carnival Rewards points in conjunction with, and not instead of, your Carnival Players Club offers. This will allow our guests even more freedom to personalize their rewards and create their perfect cruise vacation. We understand that these program changes may bring up additional questions, but please be assured that at the heart of this shift is our desire to create a better guest experience and that you're rewarded for all of the things you love about cruising with us. We will be sharing more information over the coming months, so please watch out for additional emails from us. And also visit carnivalrewards.com for more information. We can't wait for you to experience why Carnival Players Club and Carnival Rewards are better together, making your vacations with us more rewarding than ever. Sincerely, the Carnival Players Club. Okay, so what that would indicate on the surface is that nothing is going to change to the offers. That answers the big if question I asked in my video yesterday. But there's some vague verbiage in there that makes me think that maybe they're not entirely being upfront about how this is all going to work. Particularly while we do review and there are periodic changes and so on and so forth, and also how you can kind of customize your package excuse me, with the points that you earn, that raises a lot of questions, just to be quite honest with you. And I don't know that we're going to get any forthright answers up until this program is launched and everybody experiences it and sees how it works. However, I do want to throw this in and say this. From a real-world experience applying this new program under the pretense that everything were to stay the same, plus you have your points that you earn and your stars that you earn. I just got off the Carnival Mardi Gras, and if memory serves, I think I had somewhere around 13,000 casino points. It was an 8-day cruise. Did quite a bit of gambling. I ended up losing about $2,000 out of pocket. But 13,000 points would immediately put me into gold status, which I just turned gold with Carnival on this cruise under their current program. But it would also give me, if my math's correct and I'm understanding all this correctly, 13,000 points to be able to use toward onboard situations. So that's interesting. Again, I read this with cautious optimism, but in black and white, it does say that they will not change. As far as the Carnival Players Club is not going to go away, and this is not something that is going to replace it. It is going to work in conjunction with it. But only time will tell how close we really are to reality on what that means. So wanted to give that quick update. Really appreciate you taking out the time to watch the video. Thank you so much. Again, if you're not a subscriber, I'd love it if you'd mash that button. Y'all take care. See you on the next one.